Welcome to the Greater Manchester Care Record, or GMCR. The GMCR brings together health and care information for patients registered at GP practices across Greater Manchester, helping professionals access the right information at the right time. What you see depends on your system permissions, and regular audits ensure safe use. All patients have a record unless they've opted out. If a patient wishes to opt out, please direct them to their GP practice. This video will show you how to access a patient record via Lorenzo. Let's get started. From the patient landing page in Lorenzo, select Complete an e-form. Scroll down to GraphNet, GMCR and click to open. On your first login, you will be asked to complete the role profile screen by entering your name and role. In the role field, type the first few letters of your role and select it from the list. If your exact role isn't available, please choose the closest match from the options. If you experience any difficulties navigating this screen, try using your keyboard arrow keys and the return key. If the patient has alerts, they'll appear here. Once reviewed, click Close. The patient summary page will appear. This page provides a quick overview of information, including demographics, medications, allergies, care plans, ACP information, and recent activity, allowing you to access important details efficiently. Select the demographic bar to view patient information and alerts from this section. Tiles at the top of the screen highlight system updates and clinical safety notices. On the summary page, you can access care plans. If an e-PACS has been created for the patient, it can be viewed by selecting the plan. If you select the care plan tile, the care plan page will open from here. You can create, edit, and finalize plans if you have the appropriate permissions. GP real-time information can be accessed from the summary page. This information comes from GP Connect. Select the real-time information tile to open the GP Connect view. All information is clearly labeled with how often it is updated. You can access more information by selecting the top icon from the navigation panel. A list of available information will open, covering primary care, secondary care, mental health, social care, and community care. The Primary Care tab shows GP practice information including medications, problems, test results and other key details. Use the tabs to access more information. The Results tab displays GP results as well as secondary care pathology, radiology, and images. Select one of the options to view details. Results are clearly labeled with date, location, list of results, and any comments. You can also use the Sort and Filter function if you're looking for a particular result. The Secondary Care tab provides access to emergency, inpatient, and outpatient activity across Greater Manchester. Select an option to see the patient activity. Here you can view attendance and discharge information. Patient receiving mental health, community care, or social care support will have information displayed here, including activity, referrals, and contacts. Please note this may differ across sources. Cancer care information can be accessed by selecting the Cancer Care Summary from the navigation panel if the patient is under the CRISTI. This will display details such as tumor, radiotherapy, and chemotherapy. To view clinical correspondence, select the envelope icon from the navigation panel. Choose a document from the list to open a letter. When finished, select the Close button at the bottom of the screen. To view information from the My GM Care app, select My GM Care from the navigation panel. The My GM Care app allows patients to record and share their own health information within this section. You can view self-reported measurements, goals, over-the-counter medications, frailty, dementia, and My Maternity plans. To view the patient timeline, select it from the bottom of the navigation panel. The patient timeline provides a comprehensive view of the patient's healthcare journey over the last 2 years. It brings together information from different sources, including mental health, QOF, A&E attendances, outpatient visits, test results, community encounters, medications, social care, and care plans. This helps clinicians see trends, recognize key events, and make more informed decisions. That brings us to the end of this GMCR training guide. We have covered navigating the layout, accessing patient information, and making the most of the key features available to you. Thank you for watching and supporting better care across Greater Manchester. If you require help or support, please contact the GMCR Product Team.